Hey, bro, I hope your security guard's real good, bro. That's insane. You're running up on me. You're fucking crazy, bro. I didn't threaten you, fucking security guard. Fuck me. You fucking freaking ass bitch.
On July 13th, 2023, Seattle PD responded to a call of a stabbing at the Seattle Goodwill. The suspect had allegedly stolen a blanket from the Goodwill, was chased down by a security guard in the parking lot, who subsequently decentralized the suspect, who responded by stabbing him with a bottle.
Well, let me stab the guy.
What is your emergency?
No. Just shut up. I don't want to talk to you.
Hello, 911. Is anyone there?
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, it's a Goodwill, Dearborn. Here's the guy.
Goodwill.
Yeah, you already got call for that?
Okay, is this the 1400 South Lane Street?
I don't know what that street is. That's some Dearborn Goodwill.
Okay, the Dearborn Goodwill. Okay, and then what's happening there? I can hear some people arguing in the background.
The security actually had to have put the guy. Caught him, he was trying to steal, and then happened to be like one of the security guys actually stabbed, I think.
So somebody was stabbed?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, and then let's see, the security guard was stabbed and somebody tried to steal something and then they stabbed the security guard?
Yeah, it looks like, yeah. Actually, they got him hold on the floor right now.
Okay. Where's the weapon or the knife that they used to stab them right now?
I did not see that. I'm not sure where the weapon is, but everything is dropped on the ground. The guy is laying down on the ground. They're behind him. They're holding him down. Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me like a brief description, like race, approximate age, and gender of the person that's being held down?
It's just a white male.
Gotcha. About how old does he look? Mid-30s.
Like in his, yeah.
Can you tell me the kind of clothes and colors he's wearing?
Gray pants and white shirt.
Gray pants, white shirt.
I think I hear the police coming.
Okay, just stay on the line with me. How many people are holding the suspect down?
2 person.
Are they both security guards?
Yeah, sure to be. Yeah.
Okay, where exactly are you guys at? Are you guys inside of the store?
Yeah, the police are here.
Okay. Are you able to flag them down? Okay, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, they're already here. They're already here. They already spotted him. Thank you, though.
Okay, thanks. All right, bye-bye.
911, what is your emergency?
Hi, there's been an altercation at the Seattle Goodwill. A person has been stabbed.
Okay, which Goodwill?
The Seattle Goodwill, it's on Dearborn, right? Dearborn Street?
700 Dearborn, or the one on South Lane?
Dearborn, 1400 South Lane Street, Seattle.
Okay, 1400 South Lane. And is it a male or female that was stabbed?
It was a male that was stabbed.
He was a security officer?
Security officer for Goodwill.
Okay.
He was stabbed in the shoulder blade. He's still walking around.
Okay, I have the call in shoulder blade. Where's the suspect?
He is currently pinned in the parking lot right now.
Okay.
By, I think, another security officer. 2 people. 2 people have him down.
By 2 people. Okay, I'm going to get the medics on the line with us. I'm going to talk first, and they're going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
Seattle Fire Medic 1. What's the address?
Hey, it's Radio
1400.
1400 South Lane Street. We have a male stabbed. The suspect is still on the scene. Can you stage?
Okay, 1400 South Lane Street. Adult male stabbed. Yes, we will stage. Okay. And suspect is still on scene, correct?
Yes.
Correct. You said. All right. Yep. We will await for scene and secure.
Okay. All right. Caller, I do have the officers on the way as well. What's the suspect's age and race?
Looks like a white male. I'd say, what age would you say?
40s,
probably 30s.
30s?
30,
okay.
40s.
30 to 40s. How tall is he, if you had to guess?
I'd probably say around, about the same height as me, you'd say?
Yeah, about.
About 5'8", 5'8", 5'8" to 5'10".
5'8" to 5'10". Okay, is he thin, medium, heavy build?
Medium build.
Okay, medium. Where is the knife?
I think he was stabbed with some fragments of glass.
Okay, and where's the
He was caught
glass? He
shoplifting.
doesn't have the fragment, right?
No, he doesn't have it.
Okay. Any other weapons seen? Any guns or knives?
No, not seen right now.
Okay.
Oh, officers have arrived on scene.
Okay. All right. Can you go talk to them?
Do I need to go talk to them?
Yes, preferably.
Okay.
All right.
Then I will go talk to them.
All right.
Thank you.
Copy, located victim.
Yeah, we're going to send up medics on this guy. If you guys want to clear a spot on the fire brigade.
Oh, yeah. It looks like you guys have plenty here, so we're going to dip out. Choose them. Copy, staff 11.
911. What is your emergency?
Hi, I had someone get assaulted at my job. I work at Goodwill. My LP officer had gotten assaulted. He got stabbed in his leg and his chest.
Okay, you're at the Goodwill at 1400 South Lane?
Yeah, he's bleeding. He's bleeding pretty bad from his chest to his leg.
I see we've got a call in there already. It looks like the medics are aware, and we've got a whole bunch of assistants heading that way. Where's the person who did this?
So the person who did this, bro?
They handcuffed him. He's outside.
They handcuffed him. He's outside.
Okay, he's outside in handcuffs. No weapons on him right now.
You don't have the weapons on him right now?
Yeah, he stabbed me with a bottle of plastic or something.
He stabbed him with a bottle, like glass from a bottle. So I don't believe he has it anymore. I believe he's been arrested. He's in custody right now by the police.
Okay.
Well, we were just trying to make sure some assistants were coming to see. He's bleeding, so we want to get him some help.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the medics are aware. As soon as the police clear that it's safe for them to come, they're going to be getting in there as quick as they can. Can I get your name?
My name is. Last name. And I'm a supervisor here at the Goodwill.
Gotcha. And a good callback number for you? Okay, and you'll want to talk to the officers, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Well, did you talk to the officers already?
No, they're not here yet.
Oh, they're not even here yet. Sorry. Yeah, we need to talk to them.
Yeah, they are getting there just about now.
And it actually wasn't them. It's our LP has them in custody, actually. So we're just waiting till you guys get here.
Right. Yeah, it looks like we've they should be arriving just about now. So if you want to step outside, the officers will be there.
Gotcha. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye. Hi, Radio.
Hey there, for 1400 South Lane.
Yes.
We are secure.
Scene is secure, okay.
Yep.
And still only one patient?
I believe so, yes.
Okay. I will let our crews know. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
You verify the attached felony warrant? Yeah.
Hey, Mary 3, Circling 21. Mary 3. 21. I'm going to start your 7 call, Madison Street, 6th Avenue, Fort A. Male, subject standing on the railing of an overpass. It's a Hispanic male, 30s, medium build, blue and purple pattern shirt. Caller saw them dangling their legs over the railing, Madison Street, 6th Avenue. Where's the copy? It's my copies from West. King 01. Good. All a Queen Nora 280. I'm at 16 Madison. No one's here. I'll be back on the assault. Yeah, Big Point 21, Mary's Cross Street clear. Everything's.
We located the victim. He's one of the officers by the register here. He's got one staff located. They got singular conscious.
Copy, located victim. One staff, one said chest, lower conscious.
And staff waiting at the front door to lead other officers and fire back into the here.
Copy, staff will look at units.
They did find the victim as hardly injured.
They inform me of stab wound to the chest. Patient of the victim. We're out of the pattern. Copy, hold it. Answer King 01.
You're arrived.
Copy, Sir King 01. King 01. We're getting more calls about this subject. At Madison and 6, they're saying that he's close to 27 in Madison and that he looks like he's about to jump. Copy. I'll circle back and see if I can find him, but the bridge check's clear on both sides. Copy. And does the supervisor copy that jumper on Madison 6?
3 called. Copy.
Copy, video copy. Good on. 2021.
We'll back marathon as well. If there's any ECs units close by, check there as well.
Copy, we'll check.
Stabbing, so if they're under control there, we can divert for the jumper and you can clear out of sector.
Yeah, Bill, I'll ask you for the jumper. Page 21, I should be clear.
No, my left, no, I can't. Please.
There one in case it wasn't added, he was cut with a bottle, not a knife, so if anyone's looking for a knife, it'll just going to be a bottle.
Copy, victim was cut with a bottle, not a knife. Cut with a bottle, not a knife.
It's not right.
3 Mary. 3 Mary.
Who do you have assigned as primary for this?
City Mary, I don't have any specific unit assigned as primary.
God, my hand hurts, bro.
Currently, 3 King 2 is primary on the static call, Officer Coons.
willing to graciously agree to be primary. That's for King said. Happy for King to take primary. 201. 201. Fire be notified that the address or other walk out. Copy.
So please, could you just grab it now? Yeah, it's fucking screaming, bro. There's literally no reason for that, bro. This guy didn't need to fucking, like, tackle me for his fucking blanket, bro.
Area 22. AMR right here, please. Capital, sir, AMR.
Last of first name Jacob, Jacob. Middle.
Your subject, Brianna Marie, body found 0926 of 91. Return to clear. Physical description is a female, 5'5", 170 pounds, blue eyes.
No, I don't want stitches, bro.
Very well.
I got it. Thank you.
Very well.
I don't want
Copy, that will West Precinct 2023.
My choice, I what the fuck I want, bro.
I'll bring it very soon.
Hey, bro, I hope your security guard's real fucking hurt, bro. That's insane. You're fucking running up on me. You're fucking crazy, bro. I didn't threaten you fucking security guard. Fuck you. You fucking traitor ass bitch.
Adam 5-3 on data.
How are you gonna do it?
I've attached a felony warrant for Jacob. Looks like it's extraditable. Could you please verify? And I'll be on West.
Copy. One in custody for first degree robbery. For first degree robbery. 2020. Here, go ahead. Lack of calls, Jamie 0118 71 is a verified ACSO felony warrant for possession of a stolen vehicle. Everyone, copy, thank you.
Shut the fuck up, bro. I'm holding this piece of blanket fucking Goodwill. Shut the fuck up!
Three days and 3. We're in the middle west. 20.
Yeah, we need to stick to this.
King 0150, Sergeant to VTAC, screen and ITA.
That wasn't the right thing to do. When he hurt himself in the box and he gets me in trouble and fucking disrupt my future, today I told you I was important to turn myself into that. Yeah, he was going to give me a fucking $3 back. Nah, that was a little punk piece of shit who wanted to get himself into some trouble, bro. He literally maliciously chose. He chose damn well to tackle me, bro. I know fighters that know how to kill people, bro. And they don't fucking do shit like this unless they're in a call me a coward. He's a fucking...
Actually, that's going to be cool.
Hey, bro. I'm a big favor. But can I ask you one thing? I literally have 2 fucking Gatorades in my bag. Like, when I have a I appreciate it. Last time I was there for like 10 guys, 8, you know, it was a really long time. Appreciate that. As I said, I tried to turn myself into a It's in my orange bag, in the reusable bag.
No, for the other paper. That's all true.
David, where you transfer arrived? Precinct 23.
Again, I didn't play my bag. There's a girl standing there with the most important thing that I got, that I don't give a shit about the body. I'm not thinking about that, but I'm thinking really good that everybody can stop that asshole. I'm fucking all right up there, I'm just trying to get
Can I get my face on the bridge? 32 your Jason Bridge 196814. Can you put me back with my shop list at Barnhill? Okay, it's the suspect. Where's the 7-Eleven on the area? 16. Located around 30 Marion 7-Eleven. Traffic there will be out each from the street to towards walking the turn lane and idling. There you have each from the street. I went to 3 in Columbia. I went to 3 in Columbia. Are you out? Are you under control? Hey, bro.
And you know what? The reason why I was mad, I wasn't even mad at any of those people. There was a fucking worker that was trying to get a worker. It was like some person. He was literally standing there and staring at me. Like, most of the time, I didn't play it, I didn't say anything, you know. It was a lady and shit, bro, so I'm definitely not going to get this all. I'm fucking leaving this action, you know. And I just walked away and I was like, man, what fucking serious? So I was mad at that. And then I had walked out. And
Pink Center sector in front of South Lane Street, Forest itself, in front collision. That's an example of why we can identify North South Lane Street, Forest itself. Very separate surveillance, so blue. 815 Street down at the car, just to break the door, throwing rocks, and other items. 815 Street, so blue.
What are you gonna do with that video, huh?
Larry 22 negative, to repeat that.
What are you gonna do with the video? Fucking sit around and jack off? You go home and jack off? Well, you go fuck yourself, bro.
Leaving the scene.